Hello everyone, welcome to Study Time. In this video, we are going to see Class 4 Hindi Chapter 2 Jaisa Sawal Vaisa Jawab Worksheet. Already I have posted a video explaining this chapter and also textbook solutions. Please go through that video so that it will be very easy for you to solve this worksheet. Katin Shabda, learn the spellings. So I have given 9 hard words. Just try to learn the spellings and also find out the meanings. Next, Shabda Artha. Meaning is you have to find the meanings for the following words. I'll give sufficient time, after which we'll discuss the meanings of these words. The answers are Musibat, meaning is difficult. The meaning in English is Katinai. Vidya, meaning is education. Shiksha also means the same. Abhiman, meaning is pride. Gamand also pride. Murk, stupid or fool. Bevakoof also same meaning. Buddhiman, meaning is intelligent. Hoshiar is smart. Akash, sky. Asman also sky. Anirudh, request. Pratna also request. Next, Vachan Badlo. Singular, plural. Find the singular and plural for the given words. So you have to find the plural words. Next, answers for Vachan Badlo. Mandri, Mandriyo. Musibat, Musibato. Balak, Balako. Darbari, Darbariyo. Mushkil, Mushkilo. Pagadi, Pagadiyo. Prashanna, Prashanno. Next, Vilom Shabda. Write the opposites for the following. Next, answers for the Vilom Shabda. Pasand, napasand. Meaning is pasand is like, napasand meaning is dislike. Moorg, jnani. So moorg is foolish, jnani is knowledgeable or intelligent. Santosh, asantosh. Satisfaction, dissatisfaction. Lambi, chowdi. Long, wide. Vishwas, avishwas. So believe, avishwas is not believing. So it also means confidence. Sandeh meaning is doubt. Sapashta meaning is clear. Anurodh, request. Jabardasti, forcefully. Next one is question answers. First question, बादशाह अकबर का कौन सा मंत्री सबसे ज़्यादा बुद्धिमान था? Among Akbar's ministers, who is most intelligent? बीरबल बादशाह अकबर का सबसे ज़्यादा बुद्धिमान मंत्री था. So Birbal is most intelligent among the ministers of Emperor Akbar. Second question, अकबर का कौन सा मंत्री बीरबल से जलता था? So who felt jealous about Birbal? So अकबर का ख्वाजा सारा नाम का मंत्री बीरबल से जलता था. So ख्वाजा सारा felt jealous about Birbal. Next, ख्वाजा सारा ने बीरबल को मूर्ख साबित करने की क्या युक्ति बनाई? So what plan did he do to prove Birbal's foolishness? So ख्वाजा सारा thought of asking him questions to fool बीरबल. अकबर ने बीरबल से पहला प्रश्न क्या पूछा? So what was his first question? अकबर ने बीरबल से पहला प्रश्न यह पूछा कि संसार का केंद्र कहाँ है? So the first question was, which is the center of the world, where it is? बीरबल ने पहले प्रश्न का क्या उत्तर दिया? So what was बीरबल्स first answer for the first question? So बीरबल ने महल की जमीन पर छड़ी पर गाड़ कर कहा कि संसार का केंद्र यही है. So by sticking on the ground with a stick, Birbal told that was the center of the world. अकबर ने बीरबल से दूसरा प्रश्न क्या पूछा? What was his second question? अकबर ने बीरबल से दूसरा प्रश्न यह पूछा कि आकाश में कितने तारे हैं? So his second question was, so how many stars in the sky? Next we are going to see बीरबल ने दूसरे प्रश्न का क्या उत्तर दिया? So what was Birbal's answer for the second question? So Birbal said, बीरबल ने दरबार में एक भेड़ मंगवाकर कहा कि, so he asked to bring a sheep, goat, and he said, so how much ever hair on this animal body, there are that many stars in the sky. अकबर ने बीरबल से तीसरा प्रश्न क्या पूछा? So what was his third question? So third question was, so how much is the world population? This was his third question. So that is what is given in the answer. अकबर ने बीरबल से तीसरा प्रश्न यह पूछा कि संसार की आबादी कितनी है? नेक्स्ट, नाइन्थ क्वेश्चन, बीरबल ने तीसरे प्रश्न का क्या उत्तर दिया? सो व्हाट वाज बीरबल्स आंसर फॉर द थर्ड क्वेश्चन? सो बीरबल ने तीसरा प्रश्न का उत्तर दिया कि यदि संसार के सभी लोगों को एक साथ महल में इकट्ठा किया जाए तो गिनकर बताया जा सकता है कि संसार की आबादी कितनी है. So Birbal replied to the third question that for all the people in the world can be gathered together in a place, and only then he told he can say the population of the world. This was his answer for the third question. So probably the question would be like, what is the first question? What was his answer for the first question? What is the second question? What was the answer for the second question? Third question and answer for the third question. So make sure you be clear with the three question and the answers the Birbal gave. So this video ends here. Hope this video is useful and understanding. Thanks for watching.